Marine Invertebrates, Week 2.
Hello and welcome back to Tear the Deep Blue Sea, Land in 90 Seconds with me, Victoria. Today's Marine Inverts Week 2, and I'm going to be going over the phylum Cnidaria to tell you a little bit about the animals that are included in this phylum. I hope you enjoyed the video and as we new, if you do, why not give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and if you aren't already, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you very much for your support. Let's dive right in. Cheers.
Cnidaria is one of 5 phylums that marine invertebrates are divided up into. The word Cnidaria comes from the Greek word cnidae, which means nettle or sea nettle, and denotes the stinging structures that characterise the organisms of this phylum. Cnidarians are characterised by the presence of harpoon-like structures called cnidocytes, which are mainly used for predation. They have radial symmetry and lack sensory organs in the head, cephalization. They have 2 life forms in their life cycle, a sessile polyp and a medusa. The 5 classes are Hydrozoa, Cyphozoa, Anthozoa, Cubozoa and Starozoa. Hydrozoa, the most diverse cnidarian group with around 3,700 species, including hydroids, hydroid jellyfish, fire corals and siphonophores, such as the Portuguese man-o'-war. Most species are sessile and occupy shallow waters where they can form large colonies. However, some do have the free-swimming medusa stage and are found in both pelagic and shallow waters. Cyphozoa. This class is exclusively marine and is known as true jellyfish. They often exhibit large sizes of up to 2 meters and are typically colourful with cup-like shapes. Anthozoa, the largest class with over 6,000 sessile species. Their groups are sea anemones, soft and stony corals, sea fens, sea pens and sea pansies. Cubozoa, they are characterised by their cube-like shape and because their sting can be fatal to humans. Starozoa, this group contains around 50 species that are exclusively marine. These are all small-sized organisms known as stalked jellyfishes.
So that was a brief overview of the 5 classes in Cnidaria. I hope you learned something new. Join me next Wednesday to learn about Porifera, or sponges. Thank you again. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye bye for now. Cheers.